This is very interesting because semen retention can actually make you successful in stock market. But how? Now, if you're thinking that maybe it will increase your testosterone or something like that and then you will become successful, but before we move forward, it doesn't work that way. So what is the connection between stock market and semen retention? We are going to discuss that in this video. Make sure to subscribe so you will get instant notification whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to show some love by showing your support. Now let's start the video without wasting any time. What is stock market? In simple terms, the stock market is a place where you can buy and sell tiny pieces of ownership in companies called stocks. These stocks represent shares in publicly traded companies, and they can be bought and sold through organized exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. People invest in the stock market for different reasons, but the main goal is usually to make money. There are two ways to make money in the stock market: by making smart investments and by borrowing money and hoping that other people will pay you back with interest. However, there is also a risk that you may lose some or all of your money. That's why it's important to do research and understand the risks before investing. What is semen retention? Semen retention is a practice where you choose not to ejaculate for a period of time. It's a personal decision, and not everyone chooses to do it. Some people believe that semen retention has certain benefits, such as increased focus and discipline. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support these claims. If you decide to practice semen retention, it's important to do it safely and to listen to your body. If you experience any negative physical or mental health effects, it's important to seek help from a healthcare professional. Now let's see how semen retention can make you successful in stock market. 1. Increased self-discipline and focus. One of the key benefits of semen retention is that it can help you develop self-discipline and focus. By practicing semen retention, you learn to control your impulses and redirect your sexual energy towards more productive activities. This can translate to the stock market, where discipline and focus are crucial for making smart investment decisions. Without self-discipline, you might find yourself making impulsive trades or chasing risky investments that promise quick returns. However, with practice, self-discipline, you can develop the ability to stick to your investment plan. Resist the urge to trade emotionally and make rational decisions based on your long-term financial goals. Similarly, focus is another important quality for success in the stock market. By practicing semen retention and training your mind to stay focused, you can enhance your ability to analyze market trends, research companies, and make informed investment decisions. In the stock market, staying focused and disciplined can mean the difference between making a profitable investment and losing money. Therefore, by practicing semen retention and developing these qualities, you can set yourself up for success in the stock market. 2. Enhanced mental clarity and problem-solving skills. Another way that semen retention can help you become successful in the stock market is by enhancing your mental clarity and problem-solving skills. When you practice semen retention, you're essentially training your brain to stay focused and resisting distractions. This can improve your overall mental clarity, allowing you to think more clearly and make better decisions. In the stock market, making smart investment decisions requires a clear and focused mind. You need to be able to analyze market trends, research companies, and evaluate investment opportunities without being distracted by emotions or external factors. By practicing semen retention and enhancing your mental clarity, you can sharpen your ability to make rational and informed investment decisions. Additionally, practicing semen retention can also help you develop better problem-solving skills. The process of setting and achieving a semen retention goal can teach you how to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable steps. This can be useful in the stock market as well, where you'll inevitably face challenges and setbacks. Being able to break down complex problems into smaller steps and solve them one at a time can be a valuable skill for any investor. Overall, by practicing semen retention and enhancing your mental clarity and problem-solving skills, you can put yourself in a better position to succeed in the stock market. Remember that consistency and dedication to your practice are key to reaping the full benefits. 3. Improved self-confidence and risk management. Another way that semen retention can indirectly help you become successful in the stock market is by improving your self-confidence and risk management skills. When you practice semen retention and achieve your goals, you'll likely experience a boost in self-confidence and self-esteem. This can be beneficial in the stock market, as a confident investor is more likely to trust their own judgment and stick to their investment plan even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Additionally, practicing semen retention can also help you develop better risk management skills. The process of setting and achieving a semen retention goal can teach you how to assess and manage risks, which is an important aspect of investing. By understanding how to assess and manage risk, you can protect your portfolio and ensure that you're not taking on too much risk for your comfort level. Overall, by practicing semen retention and improving your self-confidence and risk management skills, you can set yourself up for success in the stock market. It's important to remember that investing involves risk, and there is no guarantee of success. However, by developing these qualities, you can become a more disciplined, focused, and informed investor, which can increase your chances of success. Enhance creativity and innovation. Another way that semen retention can help you become successful in the stock market is by enhancing your creativity and innovation. When you practice semen retention, you're essentially training your brain to be more creative and innovative by redirecting your sexual energy towards more productive activities. This can lead to new ideas and perspectives that you may not have had otherwise. In the stock market, creativity and innovation are important for staying ahead of the competition and making smart investment decisions. By practicing semen retention and enhancing your creativity, you can come up with new ways to invest your money and potentially earn higher returns. Additionally, practicing semen retention can also help you develop a more innovative mindset. By challenging yourself to push past your limits and achieve your goals, you'll likely become more open-minded and willing to take on new challenges. This can be beneficial in the stock market as it can help you see opportunities where others may not. Overall, by practicing semen retention and enhancing your creativity and innovation, you can put yourself in a better position to succeed in the stock market. Remember that while semen retention can be a helpful tool, it's not a guarantee of success. 5. More patience and emotional control. Finally, one of the most important benefits of semen retention is that it can help you become more patient and emotionally controlled. By practicing semen retention and learning to control your impulses, you'll likely become more patient and less prone to making impulsive decisions. In the stock market, patience and emotional control are crucial for making smart investment decisions. The stock market can be a volatile and unpredictable place, and it's important to stay calm and focused when making investment decisions. By practicing semen retention and developing these qualities, you can avoid making impulsive trades and stick to your investment plan even when faced with challenges or setbacks. Additionally, practicing semen retention can also help you develop a better understanding of your emotions and how they affect your decision-making process. By learning to control your emotions, you can avoid making investment decisions based on fear or greed, which can lead to poor investment performance. Overall, by practicing semen retention and developing more patience and emotional control, you can become a more successful investor. Remember that while semen retention can be a helpful tool, it's not a guarantee of success and should be practiced safely and responsibly. So these were the 5 ways in which semen retention can make you successful in stock market. So now you know that just like many other things, stock trading also requires a trained mind. Your mind plays a very important role here. If you have a strong mind, you will be able to make right decisions, and if you have a weak mind, you will be prone to make wrong decisions. By practicing semen retention, you train your mind to become stronger, and as a result, you will be able to make right decisions in stock market. Remember that nothing is impossible for a person with a powerful mind. You can achieve anything you want in your life if you have a strong and powerful mind. So, by practicing semen retention, you will not only develop a strong mind, but also you will become successful in your personal life as well as in professional life. The stock market is a mirror. It reflects your inner state. If you're greedy, you'll overtrade. If you're fearful, you'll pixel. If you're impatient, you'll chase trends and lose money. But semen retention reprograms your psychology. Here's how. Focus. Instead of wasting energy on constant desires, your mind becomes laser-focused. You can study charts longer, read financial reports carefully, and make rational choices. Confidence. You walk with more presence. You don't second-guess yourself. When you decide to buy or sell, you do it with conviction. Emotional control. Losses don't shake you. Wins don't inflate your ego. You stay calm, like a monk in the middle of chaos. Long-term thinking. Retention teaches patience. Just like you resist short-term pleasure, you can resist short-term market noise and focus on long-term growth. This psychological transformation is what separates successful investors from gamblers. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe so you won't miss any future videos. And lastly, don't forget to show some love. With that being said, we will meet again in the next video. Until then, take care.